Dr. Parnell M. Lovelace Jr. I'm the Vice President of Diversity, Reconciliation, and Unity at Jessup University. I came to Jessup University primarily about 10 years ago as a Board of Trustees member, and then I actually taught a few classes in the Theology and Leadership department. Today I was invited to come and serve in the inaugural role as the Vice President of Diversity, Reconciliation, and Unity. The university has a heart for engaging diversity, engaging the various aspects of distinctions found among culture, races, and ethnicity. And as a result of that, the president and I prayed together, and we believed that God was calling me back to the university to serve in this role. And I'm excited about it because we're seeing, again, an opportunity to expand and do what God has called us to do in the kingdom of God. And what camera am I going to be looking at? I'm going to look at here, okay. One of the first responsibilities that I was given as a vice president here at the university was to come and to look at the development of the DRU task force, or the Diversity, Reconciliation, and Unity task force. Christians should value diversity, reconciliation, and unity because God, He values it. He's created us various tribes, various peoples. He loves the fact that we represent a tapestry of who He is, represented upon the earth. And so as believers, it is our opportunity not to look away from that or be dismissive of that, but rather to embrace that and celebrate that. Celebrate the fact that God has created us in our unique hues, our unique cultures, experiences, and celebrate the fact that we come together in unity.
One take. Yeah. One take wonder.
I am so excited about some recent occurrences that have happened here through Jessup University with the presentation of the Dr. Parnell M. Lovelace Jr. Multicultural Scholarship. It catches me by surprise, but I'm thankful for the opportunity to have my name attached to such an honor and award that will be presented to students that have a heart for multicultural service, community service, and care, and reaching out to, again, align with their studies to go out into our community and, again, represent what it means to be bridge builders, those who are connecting people, not causing people to be separated, but bringing people together. So we are excited to introduce this scholarship that bears my name, that will enable them each year to go forward in their studies without facing the barriers of financial hindrance.